Hey guys, thank you for watching my metrical videos. I am Angela Fernandez and I'm so sorry I was not able to make videos on Saturday and Sunday because I was feeling under the weather and also I was a little busy, so I could not make it. So I'm so sorry about that. And also I was actually working from home today and there's a power cut, so I was just thinking that what am I going to do. So I just thought of making this video for you guys, which I feel that today's topic is going to really be interesting because I think this is going to help you guys in your career. And all these whatever I'm going to tell is basis the career perspectives. So let's start. So basically guys, I am going to tell you how you can crack interviews. Now there are so many people who are seeking for jobs and they are really in search for making a good cut in a good company, but then there are some things that you always need to consider when you are applying for a job and when you are taking your first step in giving your interview. So I am going to tell you few points which I have personally experienced, and let me tell you, I have almost given around 40 interviews in my life, out of which I have made a cut on 38 of it. Yeah, that's a different thing that I never joined the company because my main intentions to give interviews was to understand and develop a sense of confidence, and that was the only reason why I used to give interviews and not join though. So yeah, so that comes to my first point, that it is really important, and this is the most important point, that it is very important for you to be confident when you are giving an interview. And also I don't think there is anything more attractive than your confidence about your profile to an interviewer. So it is really important that you show a sense of confidence which really makes an interviewer feel that, oh, you are at least half suited for the job, because your confidence does 50% of your job of getting selected for that role. My second most important point would be that it is very much important to always know the background of the company. It is always really important that you do all necessary homework about the background of the company, just so that the interviewer feel that it's not only you have come for the job just for the sake of it, but then you actually have done your homework. My third important point would be that it is really important for you to know what is going on in the market and the current situation and the scenarios, because the interviewer, I have always noticed that they always ask you that, what do you know about the market? What is the current situation going on? Do you read news? Are you interested in politics? So it is really important to know some things or have some knowledge about these things, whatever is going on in the market, just so that you feel you make the interviewer feel confident about you and also about your role. My next point would be that it is really important to when you're giving an interview, it is really important to show a learning approach and to convince the interviewer on your deliverables. So there is a lot of possibility that the interviewer is going to give you a scenario that how are you going to achieve your targets. So it is really important for you guys to convince him and talk to him in such a way that you are giving them a confidence that yes, you are going to give the deliverables and meet the targets. So that is very important. My next point would be, and this is something very important when you give an interview, it is that if you don't know certain things, okay, if an interviewer is asking you something and you are not sure about it, please say no, I do not know. I have been doing it, and because of this, what is the perks that I've got out of this is that the interviewer knows that I'm honest, and also I get to know few things and I get to learn few things from the interview. So if you don't know something, say no. My next important point would be that it is important whenever you are giving an interview. It is really important to be precise and short, and to develop a sense of capability just so the interviewer feel that you deserve this job. It is really important to develop that and be very comfortable. And it is also, I missed one more point, it is really important to make the eye contact from the with the interviewer, because that will boost your confidence and it will help you to perform and give your interview in a best way. So that's it. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have faced the same things I have faced and if this video has helped you guys. And like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, be safe, be kind and strike a balance. Bye.